Hi, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. I'm Missy, and today I'm going to show you my microwavable buttercream fudge recipe. And it only takes 2 ingredients. First thing you're going to need is buttercream frosting. Any brand will work, doesn't matter. Pick your favorite brand. Then you're going to need 1 package of white chocolate chips. Now I'm going to show you how I'm setting up my pan. I have just a disposable pan here, and I'm going to line it with parchment paper. That way, whenever I get ready to take it out to cut my fudge, it'll be easy just to lift straight out of the pan and be able to cut it easily. It'll already be on a surface for me to be able to cut it. So I'm going to set that aside. You want the whole package. I'm going to get these opened up. Oh, there's the little tear. Pour those in. There's lots of variations you can do with this. You can put pecans in it if you'd like. That goes really well. Any combination, you know, that would go really good with buttercream is going to go well in this. Some people may put a little bit of caramel in them. You know, it's yours. Make it the way you like it. You can melt this frosting, actually. You can melt them separate and combine them together, but I find it's easier just to combine them in one bowl for the simple fact that if you melt it in the container, a lot of times you got to make sure you get all that metal off before you put it in the microwave. So I find it's just easier to put it in here. I think you will be surprised at how nice this fudge turns out. And you're going to be like me, and you're going to be like, I am never making fudge the old way again. Alright, so I got my ingredients in there. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in the microwave. Every 30 seconds, we're going to take it out, stir it up, mix it really well until it mixes really good. And then we're going to come back and we're going to get it in the pan. So I'm going to get that done, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so that took about 2.5 minutes in the microwave. Give you a look at it there. See how it's kind of, I don't know, it moves around in there. Mixed really well. The chocolate's melted fully. That's what you want. You want it to be just like that. Now we're going to get it poured into our pan. My parchment paper is not wanting to cooperate tonight. There we go. You know that it's mixed well whenever it comes, see how it kind of comes off of the sides of the glass? And it just pours right out. Then you know you've got it about the temperature that you want it. You don't want to make it too hot because you don't want to burn it in the microwave. But you just want to make sure that you get it hot enough that it'll pour in there really nice and mix well. This needs to cool in the fridge for 1 hour. Give or take, according to how hot your mixture is. But I'm going to get this in the fridge, and I know that you guys will want to see what it looks like afterwards. So I'll be back when it's done to show you. Alright, so our buttercream fudge is out of the fridge. Took about an hour. It hardened up really well. Get it out of the pan here. If you kind of pull the edges of the pan a little bit, if you use this type of pan, it'll pop right out. Especially since we use the parchment paper. There we go. That looks awesome. Smells really good too. Let's see how it cuts. Look at that. we go. That big chunk over there. I'm not sure how I'm going to cut the edge. I think I'm going to use this for some gifts for some of the neighbors. And I'm not sure how I want to cut it really to go in my containers. But as you can see, it cuts really nice. Chunks up really nice. So, wonder how it tastes. Good thing Tony's not here because he would end up eating half of it. You can really taste the buttercream in that fudge. That is so rich though. Super rich. That is great. I know you're going to love this recipe, so make sure you try it out. It has to be one of the easiest recipes I have ever made before in my life. And you know what else? This is great to make with kids. Because it's so easy, because all they got to do is empty 2 containers and watch it in the microwave. So, yeah, definitely need to try this one. And there's so many variations that you can make. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure that if you haven't subscribed, that you hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you can see the upcoming videos. And we hope that you join us for our next ones. We'll see you in the next video.